Hi, it's Claire Aiken with Indigo Marketing Agency, and I get so many questions from financial advisors about how I shoot my videos and how they can create videos for their websites. So today I just wanted to walk you through my process and give you some tips and tricks. So the first thing I would recommend is if you want professional videos for your homepage or for your website, I really recommend going to a professional videographer and getting those shot in a studio with a white screen behind you or a green screen behind you. They'll have all of the audio and all of the lights set up. They'll do all of the editing. It'll make you look really great. And so I can link some of my professional videos below. And typically I pay about $2,400 for, I believe, around 6 videos. So it's not too bad. You know, you go in there for a half day and you shoot maybe your videos for the whole year. You pay for all the editing. They add your disclosures, the music, your logo, all of that. And you don't have to worry about any equipment. And so that's kind of my first tip, is just have somebody else do it for you and go into a studio. But I also get a lot of questions about how I do these more casual kind of videos in my office. And I know there's a lot of advisors out there that are looking to just shoot some videos to get in front of their clients and get their message out there, because it is such a personal way. And I find it a lot easier to just jump in front of a camera and talk than to write a blog post or to write an email or to call all of my clients. And so it's a really personal way to just get your message in front of people. And so that's what I'll be talking about today. So the first step is a camera. And so I use a MacBook Air and I just use the camera on the laptop. And so you can get one of these for $1,000. It's an amazing computer for travel, and it has an amazing built-in camera. You could also use kind of a webcam if you want to buy one on Amazon. I'll link one below, or you could even use your iPhone. So I recommend getting a tripod so it's stable. And the trick here is you want to get it far enough away from you and above you so that it's really shooting down. So I have my computer on a box right here that is about 14 to 16 inches, and everybody looks better if the camera's kind of shooting down at you, so you don't look like it's going up your nose or you have a double chin or anything like that. And so that's how I do kind of my video. And then I do my own editing with iMovie, or I send it to my video editor. We have a great video editor on our team, so if you do need help, reach out and we can edit your videos for you. And so the other trick about video is having a lot of natural light if you can. And so my office has these big floor to ceiling, south facing windows, and it's about noon right now. So there's just a ton of light coming in. I also have a light above me and a light on the side. And so you really want to light up your face, get rid of any shadows, and that will make you look a lot more rested and brighter. And so if you don't have a window in your office, you can check out one of the lights linked below. So the first type of light that you can get that's really easy to use is a ring light, and that just is a light that goes around in a circle and lights up your whole face from the front. And they're really inexpensive, they work really well, they're compact, and you don't need a big space to store them. So I'll link one of those below, and that's how I do my videos in my other office that doesn't actually have any natural light. And another option is these kind of big studio lights, and I'll link one of those below as well. These do a better job of lighting up your face and lighting up your environment. So if your office is really dark, I recommend those, but they are a little bit bulkier to store, so I don't like them as much because they're just not that attractive to store and they take up a lot of space. So I really like the ring lights. And then, you know, make sure you kind of declutter your background. So have a plain background, maybe a plant, maybe a few plants, maybe just like one picture frame, something like that. Just really try to declutter as much as you can. And then try to wear a solid color if you can. Don't wear black or white because nobody looks good in pure white or pure black. So try to wear solid one color that looks good with your skin tone, and just a lot of light on your face is kind of my best advice there. And then when we talk about audio, so the audio setup that I use is I use a Yeti blue microphone, and I'll link one below. They're pretty inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon, and they just click into the USB of your computer, and that's how I do all of my audio. And then my video editor does some audio post-production afterwards to clean it up. So, you know, it's not a completely professional setup. Of course, if I had a professional videographer coming in here, I'm sure it would sound better. It would probably look better, but I think it's kind of an authentic style, and it's something that I can do any day I want to and just jump in front of the camera and record a video and get it done in 5 or 10 minutes. And so I think that's really a cool strategy to have if you want to get a message out to your existing clients, or if you want to do a market update, or say you're having a webinar. It's cool to record a little invitation to a webinar. And so those are kind of my video tips for you. I hope it's helpful. Check out the links below. And I also have some tips if you do have a Yeti Blue microphone. I have some tips on how to use it and how to kind of optimize the sound there. So let me know if you're interested in that. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.